Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to change address on driving license online in the UK. The steps are easy to follow, and the first thing you'll need to do is to head over to gov.uk and the Change Driving License website. We'll have the link to this in the description below so you can click and get an easy access to this page. Now, by following this link, you'll be taken to this page, change your address on your driving license. You can also see right here, apply online and then apply by post. Of course, we want to apply online, so we're going to focus on what applies. You can see apply online, change address on either your full driving license or your provisional driving license. In your case, this will be the driving license, and it says it doesn't cost anything to change your address with DVLA, and that's good news. So you're going to keep scrolling down while you're looking at the information, which helps you to understand that you must also change the address on your vehicle logbook, the V5C. You must also update your vehicle tax direct debit if this is how you pay. You also need to change the address on your personalized registration number document if you have one. So you'll need to check this out in your files. Of course, once you're sure of that, you have the Start Now button. But before you click on Start Now, you'll need to have some information handy. You'll need your driving license. You'll need to give the addresses you've lived at in the last 3 years. You also need to be a resident of Great Britain. And of course, you need to make sure you've not been banned from driving. Then of course you want to have your driving license number, your national insurance number, and your passport number handy. The rest of the information right here is if you want to change your photo, which is not what we're doing, or if you're moving abroad. So once you make sure that you have your documentation and you know that you need to also go through these processes as well, you can click and Start Now. There is some information right here pertaining to those who want to change your photo, but if you don't want to do that, you can simply click on Continue on this device. There are still some more information to follow through with, so you can go ahead and read these, such as if you have a driver and vehicles account. If you don't have a driver and vehicles account, these are informations that if they apply to you, you'll need to follow through with what they're saying. The next, you'll need to click and continue, and then the next few pages you'll need to answer yes or no. Are you renewing your bus or lorry entitlement? No. So we're going to click and continue. This is if you're renewing a short-term medical license. No, because it's still the address we want to focus on. So the website basically tries to carry everyone along, even though you're trying to just change your address. So you just need to click on what applies to you. Of course, this is what we talked about. Are you currently disqualified from driving in the UK? The answer is no, of course. If that's true in your case, you want to click and continue. And then of course you need to create an account or sign in. So if you have your sign in details, meaning you have already created an account before, you could of course sign in. But of course, if you don't have one, you'll need to click and continue to create an account. The rest of the information in the form filling process is sensitive, and this is really up to you. But this is exactly where you need to be to change your address on your driving license online in the UK. So just go ahead and put in your email, click and continue, follow through the steps which they'll be providing, and then you'll be able to successfully change your addresses. You'll definitely also get to a page where you'll need to put in your new address and the addresses of where you've been in the last 3 years. So you'll need to put all these information as accurately as possible. Using the link which we've provided in the description will take you to this page where you can get an easy walkthrough on how to change your address on your driving license online in the UK.